Hi, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm saying that we can go to the stars. The stars are more closer than you are believing. So maybe there is an easier way to understand this. So I made lots of videos so I can tell you this fast. Gravity is light. Light does not attract. You can attract in some ways mass. So about white holes, Carlo Rovelli. So watch what I'm talking about. You know, I'm cutting from other videos some passages for you for exemplification, and I comment them. So I'm telling you that you can go to the stars like here, and you do not understand science in the correct manner. Science basically is wrong. These are simply stars, clouds in our galaxy. That's a sphere, and we can go here. Carlo Rovelli about white holes, black holes, white holes. So watch.
So, here's what I told you. You're a good scientist. We have two problems. We don't know how white holes are born, and we don't know what happened to black hole at the end of this story.
Right.
Here's the idea. The death of the black hole is the birth of the white hole. And that's the idea of the transition. So this tube becomes very, very long, very narrow. We enter in a quantum regime.
Yeah.
Classical theory doesn't work anymore. Now we have in a quantum regime, quantum jumps. Oh, yes, we are falling inside.
So this is the way I made the videos. I can tell you in a fast manner. You will understand this. Mechanical work is not done by a mass. A mass does not produce a mechanical work. The planets are making a mechanical work. So now gravity, you are believing somehow is emanation from a mass. So now if you understand, you spin fast Mars. What happened is something is happened, but you understand now the Mars is spinning, the planet Mars, like this, like many planets. So mass, if you put it does not spin. So something does make them to spin. So the mass itself does not produce any kind of movements, not rectilinear, neither right like this, neither this. So they are making a mechanical work. So now this is what you are going wrong. Force mass times acceleration. You are believing somehow that is done by mass. It is not. It is a relation between like a function. So now you are believing some mass does something, irradiates this gravity. Does not. It is affected. There is a force by area per area Newton square, and does something to a mass. There's so many components to gravity. A part of light pushes the waters from the land. So it is a mechanism done in the planet. All the planets have another kind of mechanisms, make seasons. That is not related to the sun, how you are believing that approaches. So the earth itself does the seasons from inside, has some mechanisms. Some other mechanism pushes the clouds like this, may produce winds from a pole to a pole. So this is done with light, but there are different kinds of mechanisms. So another part of light, it pushes you down, but it pushes you down somehow. It pushes you down from some heights. But it is not produced by a planet. It is our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by clouds and produces a light field with many components. One of them is the Baker radiation. It does not come from the Big Bang. It's produced exactly like this. It's a membrane, electromagnetic membrane, exactly like the Earth has this. Pushes the console on Earth. So watch this another part, and I can tell you this on short. Okay, you understand? So watch another part.
Life. This is called a remnant, because the black hole dies and it leaves this remnant, which very, very slowly emits this, and this very, very slow radiation. And it's what? It's just a teeny, teeny thing with a mass. The mass is easy to compute because this is quantum gravity. It's a Planck mass.
Which is about?
My hair.
There it is. You have more.
Carlo Rovelli, okay, so you cannot have a black hole. You watch it, all the lights you name black holes. I see a light is a black hole, radiates about event horizon. You like these terms, imbecile terms. Does not, it's not relation with between two masses produced by a mass. A mechanical work between two masses, exactly like an engine. You produce a movement with a battery. The light, it is inside, the electron is light from inside. It produces a mechanical work on a mass. Okay, so now you are knowing some circle stuff. You make some from stuff per area, like Newton make it. There's not a relation between the sun and earth, only that the inertia principle says that you put two objects in space like this, they will not go from the moon, does not have any reason to go from the earth to approach. You are saying attraction is not, it will collapse on earth. So watching at the part, Carlo Rovelli.
Suppose there are many of these. So you have small particles, grains, powder, that only interacts gravitationally. There's a lot of them.
Sounds like dark matter is coming up.
Very much sounds like dark matter. So these are natural candidates for dark matter. Of course, we don't know what dark matter is. There are 3 or 4 or 5 candidates. The best one we had is died. Supersymmetric.
Supersymmetric.
Yeah,
Well, it's not quite dead yet, but...
yeah.
So this is, you cannot have a white hole, dude, and then a black hole. You cannot have a black hole. Because light does not, light, it is gravity. So, and like you are saying children stuff, okay? The stars are like in Earth has clouds. The stars are like, you see water rises to a certain level in electromagnetic manners. Not to pressures, and you are understand everything wrong nowadays. The stars are cold like this and putting clouds. The clouds are like water clouds and vapor clouds and gaseous and fumes, and they produce like a volcano, electrical light, electrical power. Light does not have a speed. It is a field and ignites them, and they're close. So this is how you are wrong. You see, the stars are in clouds. The clouds are producing electricity. Stars are small. Okay, you must understand physics once on and for all. Mendeleev, you see 100 elements that not produce a quantity of mechanical work. Something produces a mechanical work to a mass. Okay, so there's so few mechanisms on Earth. One pushes the waters from the land. There's water capable of covering the entire planet. One pushes the clouds, one makes seasons. All are mechanisms. And you are not want to admit this, so you are inventing this gravity and you put it like it's like a demon, like a god. Gravity makes everything. Does not make. Gravity, it is like. Goodbye, like, share and subscribe. This is what I wanted to tell you. We can go to the stars. This cloud is close. We can reach here with our rockets even. You do not have the need for warp speed. You can reach these clouds. Imagine clouds with pieces, blocks, like entire, like you have a city full of blocks of light. Like the stars are not obligativity to be spherical even. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Watch another part from Rovelli, or okay, and then goodbye and God bless. Like, share, and subscribe. Gravity, it is light.